Hi and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to discuss surveys. But before we dive into it, let's first look at our learning objectives. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to 1. Define a survey in simple terms. 2. Describe common applications and use cases of surveys. 3. Explain why surveys are more common today than ever before. And 4. Discuss the value of surveys in decision making. So let's get started. What is a survey? So a survey is a method of collecting data from a group of people, and the purpose of this is to understand their opinions, experiences, or behavior. It usually involves asking questions through online forms, phone calls, or face-to-face interviews. Let me give you an example. A lady walks to a restaurant to order for a meal. So after enjoying her meal and clearing the bill, the waiter walks straight to her table and asks her to rate her dining experience through a feedback form. So that is an example of a survey. So surveys are used in different areas to gather insights, improve services, and make informed decisions. Here are some of the common applications and use cases of surveys. Number 1, online shopping. So e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Jumia usually send surveys to customers after purchase, and the purpose of this is to collect feedback on product quality and delivery service. Number 2, online training and classes. Online platforms usually ask students to rate their instructors and course content, and here the purpose is to improve future learning experiences. And in fact, at the end of this course, you will also be requested to participate in the course evaluation survey. Number 3, monitoring and evaluation, where all organizations that run developmental projects conduct surveys before, during, and after project, and the purpose of this is to measure its impact and effectiveness. Number 4, healthcare, where hospitals and clinics also send surveys to patients after their visit with the purpose of assessing service quality and improving patient care. Number 5, workplace and human resource, where companies conduct surveys to understand employee satisfaction, workplace culture, and areas for improvement. And number 6, public services, where governments conduct population censuses and public opinion polls, and the purpose of this is to shape policies and allocate resources more effectively. And last but not least, the market research, where businesses conduct surveys to understand customer needs, market trends, and product preferences before launching new products. This takes us straight to the question of why a survey is so common nowadays. So there are a number of reasons, and these include: number 1, increased recognition of the value of data. We organizations now understand that data-driven decisions lead to better outcomes, and therefore surveys help them collect valuable insights to guide strategies. Number 2 is advancements in technology, and with online survey tools like Google Forms, Typeform, and SurveyMonkey, it's now easier to create and distribute surveys globally within minutes. And number 3, the need to strengthen customer relationships. So businesses and service providers use surveys to understand customer needs and build stronger connections through personalized services. And number 4, the demand for process improvement. So surveys provide feedback to help organizations identify weaknesses and improve products, services, or operations. Number 5, social media and digital trends. And with platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or X, companies can instantly reach thousands of respondents, making surveys more accessible and engaging. And last but not least, the rise of remote work and e-learning. Since more people now work and learn online, organizations rely on surveys to assess productivity, training effectiveness, and learn experience. Let's have a recap of what we've learned. We've learned that a survey is a tool for collecting data from a group of people. Surveys are used in various fields including business, education, healthcare, and government, and also technology and the increasing demand for data-driven decision-making have made surveys more common today. And with this, I would love to invite you to join our discussion. So I want you to think about a recent survey that you participated in. It doesn't matter whether it was online or offline. Kindly share what was its purpose and how do you think the collected data was used. And if you're a leader, manager, or business owner, how do you currently use surveys in your business, and what challenges have you faced in collecting and acting on survey data? So kindly share your thoughts in the discussion forum in the course description below. So thank you so much. Let's meet again in the next one.